Wow, busy day for receiving packages. Lots of things came in. Let me show you what we have in terms of upcoming content. So I finally received the wireless kit from Corsair. This is the ML1000 with the dark core mouse, and I'm comparing it with the Logitech G PowerPlay and that whole combination. So make sure to check out that video right over here. And with the entire wireless kit from Corsair came this guy, the Survivor USB stick, but in order to put it through its paces in terms of its durability, I had to travel elsewhere. And video on that shortly if this does not get confiscated at the border. I hope not. Oh my god, that would be terrible. And so I'm trying out the whole wireless set on my desk. Hopefully it plays out well. And so I'm very excited about the K63 because it's TKL. I love small form factors, especially for my space. It fits so well. It's got MX Red Cherry switches, blue lighting, so no RGB here. I have the dark core that is currently charging on the MM1000. And so the thing is, you lose 2 cables, so no more cable for the mouse, no more cable for the keyboard, but there's one thick cable for the mouse mat, and it's not very pretty. And to continue with the whole wireless direction, I'm getting into the mindset of like a potential consumer who would want a wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, and obviously a wireless headset. Huh? Another Thresher. I guess they sent me 2. Maybe a like for a giveaway. Wow. I am very excited for this lineup, and of course the testing too. The goal is to find the best wireless gaming headset, so we got the SteelSeries Ep.7, and I got 2 from Logitech, the G533 and the G933, the slightly older one, so we can see how this generation shift has improved anything, and I'm hoping it has. This is the latest one we've reviewed, the HyperX Cloud Flight. Really like their direction in terms of sound quality and comfort, but the construction is a little bit on the flimsy side. Then we have the Corsair Void Pro RGB, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how the microphone stacks up on all of these. And the last two are Razer. Obviously they had to compensate with the biggest packaging ever, but it's because we have a headphone stand inside, and lots of people have been requesting the Manowar. This one's actually quite old. I thought it was new, but because of just the sheer amount of comments, people asked to actually check out this particular headset, and from what I can tell, they're not compensating for anything at all with this big packaging versus something older. Which one of these do you think will win in terms of sound, comfort, microphone? What else is there? Build quality, yes. Let me know in the comments below. But not to worry, I have some very exciting case content coming up shortly. Let me show you. Now recently I did a cable management video inside the 500D giving you my basic cable management tips, and so that's a fairly easy case to work in. So inside here is an enclosure from 2011 which should prove cable management a lot more challenging. Let me show you. I think there are 2 in here. I've never received 2 cases in the same box. Pretty cool, Case King. Pretty cool. A handle is convenient. And a very secret case in here too, but that is for later. Wow, a blast from the past. This is from Air-Cool. It's called the Cyclone. It's supposed to be Cyclone 2, but look at this. Upgraded version with USB 3.0. Be cool, be Air-Cool. Look at how weird this thing looks. Lovely handle, by the way. Oh my god, remember acrylic side panels that have fan filters? I'm feeling very nostalgic right now. Why do case manufacturers no longer produce such beautiful designs for the front panel? It says Star Cruiser on the side. Yep, on both sides. I feel like I'm gonna have fun with this one. Yeah, so I finally had to get a proper stand for my light. It's heavy duty, but it allows me to actually maneuver the light over objects and create shots like these. Oh, and before I forget, my cable management tools for this case, a bazillion zip ties, my Velcro straps, and also the little cable tie points, because the case, I don't know if it has any. So that should be fun to work inside the Cyclone and try my best in cable management. I've never actually put that much effort into it, but as you can clearly see, I'm going to be prepared. And in terms of cooling, I have the Enermax Lick Fusion 240mm radiator. It's their new one with really beautiful fans. Really excited to see that. And I'm going to be comparing the Silent Loop 360 with the Corsair H150i Pro. 360mm all-in-one, really nice slim pump. Hopefully the performance is good too. And one last thing, we recently did budget gaming mice around $15 roundup, where I took 8 of them, and actually some of them are pretty decent. Check out over there. So this is where the archive sits for those mice, and I have a new pile that's starting to form right over here for the next iteration about the budgets from like 25 to 50 or something like that. So if you have any mice recommendations for that video, let me know in the comments below. And one more thing, I got my first drone, the Mavic Air. Look at this, it's the size of my hand. Here's the OnePlus 5T for size reference as to where the drone sits. That's incredible. Ooh, the blades are quite sharp. And let me know if you want to see a review of this guy from a drone noob like me, and I'll make sure to deliver. I'm not sure how I feel about remotes, you know? I was a keyboard and mouse type of guy. Alright, so I think that's it for my little update. Let me know which piece of content you want to see first, and if you have any suggestions and tips as how not to crash my drone, let me know in the comments. And if you have any other suggestions on what we can do for you guys, we're always listening and open to feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dimitri, and we'll see you in the next video.